Welcome to Temperate with me, HardReset.Info, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application and then here on the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app and click here yes I agree, pick close. And on the left down corner tap to OK. And now as can you see here we got the section with the temperature of our battery. In my case that's 27 degrees. And also here we got another sections with the level of our battery, the health, voltage, and more other info like the Android version, the model, and more other information. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.